Insight Lab, Insight to Action. Security Bank Case Study on Philippines SME. Headline, Powering the Philippines Digital Economy. Frontline managers trying to understand what propels portfolio growth in a digital world. Problem statement. What are the key drivers of portfolio growth? What did we simulate? Term loans and premises. Insight, balancing risk and reward requires collaboration. A participant said, "This simulation gave me an overall view of the SME sector in lending." Post-workshop action, frontline managers and salespeople collaborated to understand the key drivers of portfolio profitability. Impact, Security Bank won the 2025 Best SME Bank in the Philippines. Security Bank SVP, J.D. Yap stated, "I am proud of our business banking team in achieving new heights in net profits, loans, plus 54% year-over-year, and deposits growth while launching new propositions to better serve our MSME clients." Insight Lab, reach out to us for your lending needs.